Assalamualaikum, hope you all are well. Today I am going to show you how you can make the Giga.Pub user task bot. So first of all, you have to purchase a domain and a hosting. I already have one, so I am going to log in to my DJSMM host account. You can purchase domain hosting from our website. If you search DJSMM host in Google, you will find our website. This is our website. You can purchase domain hosting from here. Then you can see we are logged in. Now we have to purchase a domain and a hosting. So we are selecting and hosting. We'll purchase this 10 GB hosting. Then we have to register a domain. So let's see what's our bot's name. The name is Cosmos Add-on. So we are going to buy .top. You can see the domain is available. Now we have to click on add to cart. It's added. Now we have to click on continue. Here you will find your order summary. You have to click on continue, or you can select the billing cycle. I am selecting monthly. You can select quarterly, semi-annually, annually, biannually, or triannually. Now I am clicking on continue. Here you will select these two services. Then you have to click on continue. Then again checkout. You will be redirected to our payment gateway. Here you have to complete the payment. You will find Bikash, Nagad, Rocket, Upay, cryptocurrency, Binance, Bybit, everything. So we will complete our payment now. We have completed our payment. Now you can see our order has been placed. Now if we go to client area, here you can see on services, on domains. This is our package and this is our domain. Now we have to change the name servers. Let's see. Here you will find name servers tab. Here we have to update the name server to ns3.tzsmm.com and ns4.tzsmm.com. Then we have to click on change name servers. We are clicking here. You can see changes saved successfully. Now if we open which.tzsmm.com, here you can see every domain's information. We have to select which information. There we will copy and paste the domain name and get which information. You can see our name server has been updated. Now let's open the cPanel. So this is our hosting service. We have to click here. Then you will find login to cPanel in the actions bar. I'm clicking here. Our cPanel has been successfully opened. Now first of all we have to create a database. We will search database wizard. We have to click here. Then you can select a random name. I'm giving crazy. Here also a random name, and you have to generate a password for your database. I'm generating. Then I have to click on create user. We have to give all privileges. Then we have to here click on make changes. You can see the user has been added to the database. Now we have to upload the MySQL file. Here we have to search PHP myadmin. If we open that, you will find your database name here. You have to select your database. Then you have to click on import. Here you will find choose file option. Here you have to choose your SQL file. You can see this is our SQL. You can purchase these files from us or from our website. Our website link is store.dzsmm.com. I will show you. Now we have to click on open, then import. You can see our tables has been created. Now we have to upload the files. For that we have to go to our file manager. Here we have to open public HTML and we have to click on upload, and you will find another select file option. Here you have to select the zip file. I am selecting the zip. You have to click open. Then you can see our file is uploading and it's uploaded. Now we have to click on go back to our directory. Here you will find the zip file. You have to left click, then you have to click on extract. Here you have to click on extract files. You can see our file has been extracted. Then you have to delete this, and in the top right bar you will find settings option. You have to click here. Then here will be a checkbox for show hidden files. You have to enable this, then save. You will find .env file. You have to left click, then edit. You will find this. Here you have to enter your database credential which you have created recently. I am pasting the password, then the database name and user's name. I will copy and paste simply. Then you have to click on save changes. Here you will find the option for bot username and Telegram bot token and your app URL. We have to add these informations also. Now we will copy our domain name. You can see the domain is already live. We'll copy the domain name and we'll paste here. Only the main domain name. Then we have to enter our bot username. I have those information saved here. This is our bot's username. I will simply copy and paste here. Then we need to add the bot token. I have this also. You have to click on here. You have to paste your bot token. Then you have to click on save changes. After saving, if you refresh here, you will find your domain live and your site will display here. Now you can see it's showing not secure. We have to install SSL. For that we have to go to our file manager. Then we have to search for let's encrypt SSL. You'll find this option. Then you will find a option for issue. You have to click here. Then you have to scroll to the bottom. Here will be another button named issue. You have to click here. You can see our SSL certificate has been installed successfully. Now if we visit our website with https search// you can see no warning, our SSL has been installed. Now we have to configure our bot. For that I will be moving to my mobile screen. You can see now I am in my mobile screen. You have to open Telegram. After opening, you have to visit bot further. Then you have to go to your bots list. I don't have the bot because the bot is my customer's bot. I will just show you how you can add this web app URL. We are here in bot further. You can do from here by messaging, or you can directly go to open app and you can open the web app of botfather, which is recently published. Here you will find your bots list. Now I am selecting any of the bots. Here you will find mini apps, and here you will find option for launch mode. You have to select full screen, and here you have to give the URL of your website. I'm copying my URL and pasting here. Then you have to click on save. After saving, you have to click on menu button. Here you will find option for URL. You have to give the URL, and then here you can give any title like earn money or something. Your work is done. Now you can browse your mini app from your bot. There is few more steps left. You have to go to Google Chrome again. Then here after your domain you have to write slash crazy. Then you will find your admin login option. So for logging into admin account, you have to go to your database. There will be a table named admins. You have to open that. Here you have to enter your admin username and password. I am giving this. I am setting this username as both username and password just for showing you all. I have pasted everything. Now you have to click on login. Here you will find every option for controlling your bot. Here you can broadcast message, you can add telegram tasks. You can click here and add your telegram task. Then here you will find option for withdraws. You can accept, reject withdraws from here, and there is option for withdraw methods. You can add, delete or edit withdraw methods from here. Then there is option for users. You can edit users details from here. Then you will find the main option, which is settings. Here you can select the ads reward, meaning how many coin or currency, which currency you have set here. Like now it's BTTC, then how many BTTC user will get for watching on ads. Then you will find option for daily ads limit, then refer bonus in percentage, and Giga.Pub ID. You have to enter your Giga.Pub ID here, then your ads will be start showing. Then you will find option for bot token and admin chat ID. Here you can add any bot token and your chat ID. If you add this, when a new withdraw request will come, you will receive a message in your account. Then you can change the currency from here, like you can do here USDT. Then you can click on save changes. You can see it's updated. There is one more work left. You have to go to tgbot.tzsmm.com. Here you will find option for bot token and webhook URL. You have to enter your bot token here. I am copying my bot token and pasting here. Then you will find option for webhook URL. You have to copy your website URL and paste here. Then API slash telegram slash callback. You can verify by opening the link in new tab. If you find this, that means it's okay. If you find any error like this, that means it's not okay. Then you have to click on set webhook. You can see okay, true, webhook was set. That means our webhook URL has been set. Now we will be opening our bot. Okay, we can add here. You can see message is coming, that means our webhook URL has been set successfully. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.